Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, we're going to handle the click events on the GridView items. By the way, congratulations for creating this amazing GridView app. To handle the click event, I need to use GridView that set on OnItemClickListener, and I will use that of Lambda expression. The set on OnItemClickListener method in Android is used to set a click listener for items in a GridView. It allows you to define a callback that will be invoked when an item in the GridView is clicked. Let's break down the parameters and the purpose of each. Here, the adapter view can be replaced with the underscore. The underscore is a convention in Kotlin and some other programming languages to indicate that the parameter is not going to be used in the Lambda expression. In this context, it's used to ignore the first and fourth parameters. Here also I can neglect it, and also the view. And the first parameter represents the adapter view and the ID of the clicked item, which is the fourth parameter. I only need to use the third parameter, which is I. Also, I can replace it with a position. And here I need to get the clicked item from the grid items, specifying the index as the position. The position parameter represents the position of the clicked item in the grid view. It indicates the index of the item in the data set associated with the grid view. You can use this information to retrieve the corresponding data item from your data source. For example, a list or an array. And in this case, it's a list. Now we need to use val clicked item equals to custom adapter dot get item, and here I need to pass position. Then I need, in this example, to pass when the user clicks on any shape, to pass to a correct activity. So I will create a new activity here. I will select empty views activity and I'll name it as sphere activity. This activity will handle the calculations for the volume of the sphere. I need to direct the user to this activity. So if clicked item dot shape name equals to sphere, and make sure that you specify it exactly as that of the list. So scroll up, copy this, and here I'm checking for the clicked item. If it is equal to the sphere, and here I need to use this question mark, then I need to direct the user to the shapes activity. I will create an intent I equals to new intent of this, and I will pass the second parameter, which is the sphere activity class.java. Then I need to start activity I. Run the program and click on other shapes. Nothing happened. Click on sphere. You are directed to another activity. So congratulations, we succeeded in handling the click events on GridView items. In the next video, we're going to handle the functionality and the calculations of the sphere volume in this sphere activity.